Genie, give me a Taj Mahal-like castle, with 2 Porsches and a black stallion and Jasmine.
Your wish is my command.
To create anything with AI, be it a website, app, meal plan, or a marketing campaign, you must tell it exactly what you want. The clearer the prompt, the better the magic. Think of it this way: AI is the engine, but you are the driver. The better your command, the farther you go. Your prompt can set the tone, define the output, guide the format, and even inspire innovation. You're not just asking AI, you're engineering it. AI doesn't replace creators, it multiplies them. Your clarity, your intent, that's the real intelligence.